It's Gifty here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a in-depth start to finish K-tip extensions on Afro texture hair using our tight curly K-tip extensions, added custom color. My client did do a thorough consultation, and we do have a video of her consultation on our YouTube page. Prior to her receiving this service, we went through a whole consultation to figure out her texture, her density, to match her hair. So check out that video. I will link it in the description box just so you're caught up to this current video. So now she comes into her actual appointment. We go over all the information that I talked to her about at the consultation, plus styling, maintenance, and everything in between. Then I went ahead and sectioned out my client's hair, creating 4 quads. I did 2 quads in the back, 2 quads in the front, and I left hair all over, which is from front to back and side to side, so that she can do ponytails, half up, half downs, part her hair right, center, middle, left. K-tip is super versatile, giving you that endless versatility when it comes to styling options. With K-tip extensions, I am bonding the hair by using my hot tool, bonding the extensions into my client's natural hair. This type of extensions is considered semi-permanent, lasting you 3 to 6 months. It's also quite low maintenance when you texture match your hair, depending if you're planning on wearing it either in the curly state or blowing it out and wearing it in the straight or body wave state. Application of the K-tip extensions is I'm going to use a protecting shield and my clips to protect my client's scalp in the process. I'm going to then take the K-tip bonds that I've cut into micro invisible bonding, especially because my client has more of a finer hair texture and is kind of on the thinner side. So I did do the invisible K-tip method for her, meaning that I took 1 K-tip and I cut it into 4 micro pieces so that it would be more invisible, seamless, especially for her finer hair texture. So then I go ahead and take the K-tips with the hot tool, merge it into my client's hair, and then I mix the hair and the K-tip together to create the bond. The result of this is it is super seamless, super natural, very, very lightweight. The hair extension matches your own density, so just how your hair feels is what the hair extension is going to give. So if you're looking for that natural, emphasis on natural, K-tips is a very natural enhancement. It's not going to be super thick, super full. It's going to match your own hair density. The purpose of K-tip is to give you that natural enhancement, which is adding length to your hair and giving you the option of versatility when it comes to styling half up, half downs, middle part, side part, and everything in between. So as I progress throughout my client's head, I have completed the 2 quads in the back. That's how I work my way around the head. I do the 2 quads in the back first, then I come up to the side and I work my way to the opposite side, just to keep balance throughout the entire hair, making sure that I'm adding enough hair extensions in each quad. And for her, she got the 200 density. So I divided 200 divided by 4 quads, and that's how many density is in each quad to equal out to the 200 density. See what I'm getting at? So when it comes to the front part of the client's hair, I try to make sure to cut the bonds even more smaller for that natural seamless blend. After install is completely done, we go into styling, and this is giftyhair.com tight curly K-tip extensions in 18-inch. She only purchased 2 packs of the tight curly K-tip extensions in 18-inch, and you can go ahead and purchase your K-tip extensions off of giftyhair.com if you are a service provider getting into K-tips, or if you are a customer just looking to purchase some high quality K-tip hair that's going to blend into your hair. Currently, our tight curly is the most popular texture, because it can be worn either in the natural curly state, or you can blow it out like what I'm currently doing, and then you can press it out and create a whole nother style just off of this one tight curly texture. The hair is just fantastic. On top of that, I did do custom color only on the extensions and not my client's hair. My client is coming back in about 6 months and we're doing this style again, but we're going to be doing the Afro kinky curly texture compared to the tight curly texture because she does want to have more of a coarser feel to the hair. So I will recommend that we do a color treatment on her natural hair and the extensions, not just the extensions, just to get the roots, more blended. For her, it looks beautiful. Yes, to me, it also looks beautiful, but there's always a improvement that can be done. So I feel like the one improvement that could be done on this service to take it to the next level is to color her roots to match a little bit closer to the roots of the hair extensions. But besides that, this turned out beautifully and she's going to be able to upkeep it at home. I did help her with the aftercare. We do provide a ebook that covers the entire aftercare at home regimen, and then I pre-book you for your either removal and reinstall or removal or maintenance. Some people do like to come to the salon for a maintenance. In between is not required, but if you want to just come in and get your hair shampoo, restyle, that will be about the 2 months, 3 month mark for you to come back and do that. So now that the install is in, I went ahead and blew out her hair. I'm going in and doing some curls, just some soft wand curls to add into the hair to give it life, volume, body, beautiful. With the Gifty Hair tight curly texture, it's supposed to mimic like a beautiful blown out look. So if you decided to wear it in the tight curly state and you blow it out, you're going to get that beautiful blown out look. So now that you can play with it and do more looks. I am using a 1-inch curling barrel to achieve these beautiful curls. It will be linked down in the description box. Also, our hair extensions from giftinghair.com will be linked in the description box. So go ahead and get you some beautiful hair extensions. We have our K-tip in the tight curly texture. We also have it in our deep curly texture as well. So you want something on the looser side, which will be our deep curly, and we're about to drop our Afro kinky curly for K-tips coming soon, and it's going to be most likely on my client that you see right now because she has put in her order for us to do another install in about 6 months with the Afro kinky hair next. So right now I'm showing her that she can do different parting space with the hair, and you have complete options like versatility. You're not limited to a middle part or a side part. You can flip it to the right, flip it to the left, flip it in the middle, pull it all the way up, literally, and it's going to be seamless. Remember, my client came in with fine hair. I density matched her to the T. Y'all, this hair turned out so beautifully. I didn't want to do too much because yes, it is a fresh install. Even though it is lightweight, we don't want to be moving too much because we just put the hair in. So she's playing with this, she's loving this, she's flipping it. This is giftyhair.com tight curly 18-inch. Only 2 bundles of hair has been used to achieve 200 grams density on my client's head. With giftyhair.com, we provide installs and hair package deals. So click the link in the description box and check out the install and hair package deals for our K-tip extensions. Also shop giftyhair.com for different luxury extensions ranging from K-tips, I-tips, tape-ins, and bundles, plus our custom wigs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Gifty, the gift to your hair, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Enjoy the rest of the video, just showing you the styling and versatility in our K-tip extensions. See you next time. We will be back here Friday at 9 p.m.